is this?
What is it? What is it?
Okay, hold on. I gotta get a good shot.
I don't know what I think it is. It's scary. Like, that's not nature, right?
Oh look, it's wet now.
Is it raining? Okay, it's rain. Is it rain?
Is it just, oh my god. I can't find a flashlight. Our windshield wiper
Now it's snowing.
fell apart.
And we're in the mountain. Our windshield wiper fell off.
And I can't find a flashlight. What is this? We have all
No,
of
that
this.
thing doesn't even
We're so prepared for this. Let me tell you a story, kids. My god, there's probably wild animals out here. Oh my god!
hazardous territory. You can't get it?
I'm cracking under the pressure. Wow, this is artsy, huh? The Goddess Project. Breaking down, fixing stuff in the snow. It's really cute.
It's too icy.
Oh god. Yeah, I think so.
Okay, try it again. It's good, right?
Yeah.
So we just broke down on the side of the road. Not really. I just drove through snow for the first time in my life, going at a 90-degree hill, almost. Probably 75 degrees, realistically. First, I thought we were being sucked into a vortex. Secondly, I thought it was a lot of bugs. And now I realize it was just snow. We're heading to Taos, New Mexico. I think we should go before someone pulls over thinking we need their help. Oh, we don't. Because we're empowered women and we can do it ourselves.